Welcome to the presentation of energy saving device for electric welding machine. Stay with us and you will find out what is the energy saving device, how to save electricity, how to install, test and report. What is the energy saving device for electric welding machine? The energy saving device is an energy management controller. The system uses a digital microcontroller to provide power management for electric welding machine. It helps lower the production cost, save money by reducing the electricity bill. It is legally approved. How to save electricity? First, we're going to look at the nature of the welding machine. Electric welding machine is technically working as a transformer. There are two states for welding process: arc welding state and idle running state. Welding machine consumes 6 to 7 amps during idle running state, which is non-productive. Idle running time for 1 hour can cost 10 cents in US dollars. Functional of the energy saving device. The energy saving device sends the state of the welding generator and automatically switch off power when idle running time exceeds a preset time, and switch to a full power state when the machine is utilized. Energy saving device can reduce power consumption up to 20%. Energy saving can be realized by just monitoring the state of the welding process. How to install the energy saving device? In the block diagram, the energy saving device is connected in series with the welding machine. This means the power line is connected to the energy saving device first, and from the energy saving device connect to the welding machine. Then install the current transducer over the welding head cable. When the welding process begins, the current transducer will sense the current and switch the power on to full power state. Until the welding process stops, the current transducer will signal the CPU to switch the power to standby state, which consumes electric only 0.4 amps. This is the wiring diagram in detail installation. First, the power input of the energy saving device and the power output connect to the primary side of the welding machine. The current transducer will be installed over the welding head cable of the welding machine. This is the picture of actual energy saving device. There are two cables for power input and two cables for power output. There is a current transducer which installed over the welding head cable. The current transducer is actually a current transformer. It's sensing the current when the welding state begins. When the line current passes through the conductor, it will create a magnetic field and induce the eddy current, which is monitored and analyzed by the computerized software in the energy saving device. Now we can see the energy saving device after the installation to the welding machine. On top of the welding machine is the energy saving device, and there is a cable for the current transducer which is installed over the welding head cable. Detail of the energy saving device circuit board. VRI input is the variable resistor for adjust current standby when idle running. V output is the variable resistor for the output voltage, which is for the OEM factory to determine. The CPU is the brain of the system. It receives the information from the current transducer and decides when to switch the power to standby state or switch to the full power state. The RC snapper filters out the back EMF from the main circuit. The triac is the electronic switching device which receives the signal from the CPU to switch the power on and off. Test result of energy used by the 200 amps welding machine. The graph shown here is the data from the power meter. The test begins by using the power directly from the power line. The first two columns show the energy usage when the welding arc is utilized, and at the bottom of the graph is the level of the energy used when idle running, which is the idle running state consumed 0.3 kilowatt. The next two columns show the energy usage after connect the welding machine through the energy saving device. The energy usage when utilized the welding machine is about the same, but at the idle running state only consume 0.055 kilowatt, which result in overall saving of 20%. This picture shows another set of testing on the 300 amps welding machine. Current reading at the idle running state when normally connected to the electric source is 5.95 amps. And the same testing shows the current at the idle running state reading when connected through the energy saving device, which is only 0.4 amps. Thank you for your interest in our product. For more information, please contact our distributor.